Hello students, welcome to our online class. In this class, we have learned about history chapter 4 in the earliest city. In this chapter, we discuss about the story of Harappa, houses, drains and streets, new crafts in the city, in search of raw materials, food for people in the city, and the mystery of the end. The earliest city in the northwest region of the Indian subcontinent. They were drained by the river Indus and its tributary. The Harappan culture mainly existed between 2500 and 1500 BC. Most of the city in the Indus Valley civilization were divided into two parts. One part was at a higher level, or it was smaller in size. It was built on a platform of baked bricks. This area was known as the citadel. The other part of the city was called the lower town, where the common people lived. The most Harappan sites include Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, Kalibangan, Dholavira, etc. And Harappa was first discovered site of the Indus Valley civilization. Mohenjo-daro is located in the Larkana district of Sindh in Pakistan. Next, what was special about this city? The Harappan civilization had well-planned city, and all the streets ran in straight lines and caught each other at right angles. House stood on both sides of the street in a proper manner. Baked bricks were used to construct the house. The people of the Indus Valley had to advance drainage system. Every house had a narrow drain which was connected to the street drains, and the drains were mostly covered. The people in the Harappan civilization followed different occupation. There were rulers, craftspersons, and there were farmers and traders also. In some cities, special buildings were constructed on the citadel. For example, in Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank which archaeologists call the Great Bath was built in this area. Mohenjo-daro was one of the most important city of the Indus Valley civilization. A tank was excavated here which seemed like a public bathing area, and it is also known as the Great Bath. The Great Bath was built with bricks which were coated with plaster. A type of natural tar was used to make the building watertight. The Great Bath is surrounded by rooms on all sides, and stairs were made on two sides. People must have taken a dip in the Great Bath at the time of certain occasions. Next, houses, drains and streets. Most of the Harappan towns were divided into two parts, a citadel and a lower town. Bricks of good quality were used to make houses and public buildings. There were many wells to provide water in the city. The streets were wide and constructed in a geometric pattern. The drainage system was very systematic and well organized. This shows that the Harappan towns were well planned. Life in the city. Harappan city was a very busy place. It is likely that the rulers and people to distant land to get metal, precious stones and other things that they wanted. A variety of seals and ceilings have been excavated from the Harappan sites. Ceiling is an impression of the seal on clay. The Harappan seals were mostly made of stone. They had fine carving on them, or mostly representing animal figures like in this picture. Seals were probably used to stamping goods meant for trade. New crafts in the city. The people excelled in various art and craft. Some of them were weavers who made cotton and woolen clothes. Pottery with designs in black color has been found. A number of tools and weapons made of copper and bronze were also found. Ornaments were made of gold and silver and semi-precious stone. And also another statue and toys were made of stone and metal. It is evident that there were many craft persons who specialized in their craft, such as bead polishing, stone cutting or carving seals and sculptures.